I just love flowers. Oh! Hey, friends! I'm so glad that you're here. We are gonna do such a cool experiment. We're gonna use these flowers for our cool experiment. Yeah! How many of these do we have? Should we count? We have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 flowers. Yeah, we're gonna use these for our really cool experiment. Yeah. Oh, you're right. I forgot to sing the experiment song. And I almost went ahead and did the experiment without singing the experiment song. I'm so silly. Do you want to sing it? Do you want to sing the experiment song? Yeah? Let's do it! Experiments are fun and science is for everyone. Come on, let's sing it. It's experiment time. It's experiment time. It's experiment time. Yeah! And Miss Whizzy, loves experiments. So we are going to use these, which are flowers, for our experiment. And we're going to use this, which is water, for our experiment. Yeah. And we have to use these, which are cups. We are going to use these for our experiment. How many cups do we have? Do you want to count? Yeah? Let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. We have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 cups. Yeah! We are going to use these 3 cups to go with our 3 flowers. Yeah! Great job! And we're going to use water. Oh! I forgot again. We have a secret ingredient. We got these, which are our food coloring. Yeah, we are going to have to use these. So what color is this one? Yeah, it's blue. We are going to use some blue food coloring. Alrighty, and we're going to use this, which is, what color again? Oh yeah, red! We're gonna use red food coloring. There we go. And we have 2 of these. How come we don't have one in here? Why don't we have one for that one? Yeah, you're right. It's a control. What's a control again? I forgot. That's okay. A control is when we want to keep that without doing the experiment so we can then use it to compare with the other ones. Yeah, that's what a control is. So we got blue, we have red, and we have a control, which will be used to compare for the other 2. Yeah! Now we just need to use this water to go into our cups. Here we go. Do you think that's enough? I think we need to add more too. There we go. And now we need to do it here too. Here we go. And we have to use it for the control, which will be used to compare to the other 2. Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. Wow! We have blue, and we have red, and we have our control. Yeah! Now, the next important thing is to use these, which are flowers, to go into our cups. Are you ready to put these into our cups? Yeah, let's do it. Right here goes number 1. And right here goes number 2. And right here goes number 3, which is our control. Yeah, so we have blue and red and our control. Yeah. Now, is that the end of the experiment? Is that it? Oh, you're right. We have to wait a little bit so we can see our experiment. Yeah. We have to wait 4 to 6 hours so we can fully see our experiment. I guess that means we have to go take a nap. Should we go take a nap? Yeah, let's do it. Oh! Nothing's happening. Oh, that's right. It has to be 4 to 6 hours. I guess we're gonna take a longer nap. Oh! Hey friends! It's been 1 hour since we last looked at our experiment. Should we look at our experiment now and see what's going on? Yeah? Okay! Whoa! Do you see what I see? It looks like a blue flower. It looks like we can see a little bit of the blue shining through, which makes it look different than our control. Yeah! That is so cool! Oh, we forgot to look at the middle one. Let's look at the middle one. I think I need to compare it with the control. Comparing it with the control, I can see just a little bit of pink shining through, but still it needs a little bit more time. Because remember, it takes 4 to 6 hours for the full effect. Should we wait that 4 to 6 hours? Yeah? Okay. Well, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a nap. Oh! Hey friends! It's now been 4 hours since our experiment. Let's go take a look at this. Wow! Look at this one. It's so blue. Do you see how blue it is? That is so blue. And this one, it almost matches my shirt. It's a pink color. Do you see how pink that is? That is a really pink flower. Wow. And of course, this is our control. And when we compare the control to the other 2 plants, we see that we have a very blue flower, and we see that the little petals have a high density of blue pigment. And if you look at it here too, you see that as well, but it's not blue, it's pink. Wow, that is really a fun thing. How does that work? How do we do this? Oh, I guess that means we need to talk about how a plant works. Wherein you cut it, you either have a stem or the roots. And the roots will soak up all the water and it will travel upstream. It travels upstream from a hollow tube. That's called a xylem. How do you spell that? Oh yeah, X-Y-L-E-M. And that xylem allows the water to travel upstream up to the petals and where it can get its nutrients. Now, The only remaining part that we see is the food coloring dye. So we can see that the water actually traveled up through that xylem into the petals. Huh! That is a really cool experiment. I'm so glad that you got to join me, Miss Whizzy, on our experiment today. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye, friends. We forgot to do something really important. We forgot to hit the thumbs up right down there. And we forgot to hit the subscribe. The subscribe is so you will know when my videos first come out. I'm so glad we didn't forget that. Bye.